Hey everybody! If you are having concerns about how to get started on the 10.4 Day 1 worksheet, that question 1, here's a similar question. It says find each indicated measure for circle O. The measure of angle A. If we think about the lesson for 10.4 Day 1, it was all about inscribed angles. And angle A is an example of an inscribed angle. We know that because the vertex is on the circle. If you were to draw angle A so that it goes through the other edge of the circle, notice angle A intercepts arc BD. So that's the connection right there. You want to connect an angle to the intercepted arc. And the rule for that is that the angle, underneath it we actually wrote angle, the more you write this out, my hope is that the easier it's going to be to remember the connection. An angle is always half the measure of the intercepted arc. And in this case, that's arc BD. If you look on the picture, for this example anyway, arc BD is 74. Therefore, if we take half of 74, we would get 37 degrees. That's the measure of angle A. So use that same idea on your worksheet for 10.4 Day 1. Now in the next example, we're finding an arc. It says the measure of arc CE. So if you look at the picture, CE is down here on the bottom right. The arrows, or the segments that kind of connect through that, match up at the top with angle B. So if you're trying to find the measure of arc CE, we know it's an arc because of that symbol up above. We do the opposite. Instead of multiplying by 1/2, we multiply the angle by 2. And the angle that intercepts arc CE is angle B. Now on this picture, it says angle B equals 20. And if you multiply 20 times 2, the measure of arc CE is 40 degrees. And that's literally all I'm going to do to show you. Your goal is just to figure out what intercepted arc matches with the appropriate inscribed angle. From there, you'll decide either you're multiplying by 1/2 or you're multiplying by 2. So please use this information to finish the 10.4 Day 1 Question 1 assignment.